Don't go so fast.
Uh-oh, watch this.
Oh shit.
Oh, somebody start your timer. You got a stopwatch on your... I don't know how long it'll last. Right now. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Oh my god. That's it.
Uh-oh, no. Watch it. Dude, that's gonna be amazing on the Salt River. Lead.
On where?
It's gonna be amazing on the Salt River. I
Why?
mean, for rentals. You said it goes backwards? Yeah. See the lights on the back? Oh, turn the pump on. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's awesome!
Uh-huh.
Oh, I gotta get some video right here. Bring it up by shore, Greg. I want to get some video. Ed, you owe me $20.
For what? What? Okay. I pay you by the credit card. No, should I let it?
Hey, look, it goes backwards. Wanna try it?
No, I got my shit, man. That's the shit, man.
I'm gonna hit your watch.
Don't do it.
I'm just kidding. You think don't do it?
Look at the waters, man. You see the pump?
You put that?
Yeah.
I like this thing. Whoa! I like how it writes itself. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Now I wonder if it'll do that with the other battery in.
We gotta try.
Yeah, we are. How long does your battery last?
I put it your battery, more capacity.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's cool, man. I like this one, man. Look at this, how it's going smooth.
Yours is better than Nick's.
Why? It's the same thing. I just made the customization. I'm telling you, man.
Not bad for $50, man.
No, man.
$50.
No, absolutely not. Boom, 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 boom.
The water's a little bumpy right now.
Yeah, a little bit. I could look at how he's just like badass, bro.
You have your camera on?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take the video on this on my cell phone, okay? Make the videos, yeah. No.
You said you were gonna do it.
No, I'm gonna run, you just take the video.
Good truck. This thing handles really well.
Because it's a high speed, bro.
I mean, I'm shocked. Like down.
Press the red button.
That's not bad.
This has 20.
How many?
14 minutes so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah. They're the same boat.
Well, if you go into the car, can you bring me the yellow in the trunk? The yellow map.
A what?
The wash clothes.
Oh. Dude, that thing's badass.
Which one?
Yours.
Why?
I love it. I don't have $400, but no. You want to rent that one out for $100 an hour? And it's supposed to beep to let me know when it's out of battery,
Really?
and it's supposed to beep if it goes out of range.
Oh. Didn't have option RTH?
What?
Return
No.
home?
Yeah, GPS.
Can you believe that?
The kids are gonna have fun with this.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you.
Kids
Watch.
and dads.
Watch. Watch.
I'm gonna be buying more of these.
Don't do it for now.
No,
Let's
I'm
see
not
how it's gonna work. Yeah, put it on the table under something. Put it under the stand. Thank you.
How fast does yours go?
It's not fast.
Let me see.
This is the faster.
Oh, that's not bad though.
I mean, for the tugboat, it's okay.
You should have brought your cracks out.
I have to do something on that now. I have to do
Now
some
what?
modification. I want to make sure the pump gonna run on the remote control. That's what I'm gonna do. I already see the video. I know exactly how to connect that. Because I got the pump already installed.
You
If
rent that one out for $35 an hour.
easy, that's the high speed, bro. You
Yeah.
see how it's running.
I wouldn't let kids use it.
No, it's the badass, bro. It's okay. It's coming next.
Next,
This is the never been in the water. This is the first time in the water.
make sure you wipe it off good.
Oh yeah, definitely I will do that. And I'm gonna put the grease on the. Yeah, look at this.
I love that water. Whoa. This thing is sweet.
Man, I like that.
I'm
Yeah.
impressed. You want to try it?
Nah, I'm good. You should get it for yourself, bro.
I know, I already do. If it doesn't run out, it's mine. Problem is the batteries take 4 hours to charge.
It's okay. Who cares, bro?
No, if I get that rapid charger working,
But what kind of connection? Oh, man, that shit is badass, bro. It's like 30 miles an hour, easy. Yeah, 10 minutes on the camera already.
I gotta know how long this battery lasts.
Man, that lights, it's so sweet, man.
I
Can
want
you?
to see it at night. You should bring it
Oh
out at night.
man. Look at the lights on the back. Oh, watch this one right here. You see it on the back?
Oh,
Look at halogans.
yeah. Oh shit! And they only turn on when you go in reverse?
Yeah. No, I did it.
Oh.
Man, that's cool, man. But look at this. Now we got a ground unit, tank.
That's it?
Now we got an air unit, drones. And now we got a freaking water unit.
Yep, we got the Marine.
Marine division. It's going to the YouTube tonight.
Yeah.
If this was like a quiet,
Oh,
oh
we'd be-
man.
This would be going so much faster. I didn't even know it goes in reverse.
This battery completely dead. You give it to me. It was like almost
I
like
know.
5%.
It's been sitting for months.
I don't want to go so far because if that shit is gonna stuck, I'm gonna jump for that, man.
Oh, no, we can push it in with this.
With this one, kayaks.
And that's why Melissa's here.
Where is she?
Whoa, whoa. Whew, that was close. See the lights on the back of mine?
Yeah, blue one.
Red.
Oh, okay.
Blue on the side, I think.
Oh, okay.
Red in the back.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah, watch
There's
the
a
back.
true lights,
In
man.
the back.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. It came with the lights already?
Uh-huh. Ready to go? This is it. You see it.
Where did you get that from?
Amazon.
For how much?
One of them
I'm
was
gonna get all those, man.
109, but it had a $35 off coupon, and then the other one was 60.
I'm gonna get that
So it was like my
for
total was
Gregory.
150 bucks.
I'm gonna get for Gregory. Because Nicholas have the tugboat, I got
Right.
tugboat, and I got my high speed. I'm gonna get for Gregory. Send me the link for that, on just
will.
exactly for this,
Well,
because it's a
I wanna try
brushless
the other
motor.
one. The other one's brushless too. We're gonna try that one.
Yeah,
now.
definitely.
They're both the same boats though. If you look at them,
But
different names, but different same. They're identical. Watch this. Oh,
Especially-
can you get a video of me flipping it?
it's recording, man, on the camera. Oh, what?
I want to. If you gotta send me that, 'cause I want to put that on the website.
Okay, then we have to do on a cell phone.
Oh shit. Oh. Got ready? You good?
Go ahead. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you. I want to put that on the website. That's the rescue boat.
You got it now. Yeah, that is badass, bro.
That's pretty far.
Oh shit, look at the bird. It's like an airplane. That attacked me.